But at least we're dealing with rain and not this. Today is technically the first day of winter. It's also the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, so the longest in the south after today, and the days are going to start getting longer here in southwest Florida. And all of these people bundled up, looking at the snow. It's always nice to see it through the television. Definitely excited that we're not dealing with this here. And the only thing we have to worry about for the morning, a couple of light showers. The areas that are still dealing with the rain, because a lot of us are starting to dry out, MUGGY being one of them. You could see some of that lighter to moderate rainfall sweeping across State Road 29 and then pulling to the northeast. Another area dealing with more of that heavier rainfall going to Marco Island. You could see this red cell moving across, inching closer to US 41 and the Goodland area. But some of us are drying out. Cape Coral, Fort Myers being some of them. A lot of the rain that woke us up around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning now pulling across to the eastern side of the state. The same with Pelican Bay and Vineyards as well. But that doesn't mean I-75, US 41 not going to see wet roadways at the moment. So if you're out and about, you still want to be very cautious for that Monday morning commute. Also dealing with a little bit of fog inland as well. So not only are you battling the rain in MUGGY, we're down to 3 miles of visibility. So it's a little hazy out there too. So budget yourself plenty of time. Temperatures are comfortable, but they are slightly on the warmer side for some of us. 70 currently in MUGGY, 69 over in Bonita Springs, and then 68 up in Punta Gorda. As we move through the rest of the afternoon, again, all of this rain is associated with the cold front. So behind the front, we're going to have clearer skies and cooler temperatures. Nothing too significant, but highs will struggle to make it out of the mid 70s. So we'll be a few degrees cooler than an average high of 76. By about 8:30, all of that rain should be away from southwest Florida as the front continues to pull to the south. We'll have more of a northerly flow, bringing us clearer skies, cooler temperatures. That will continue for your Tuesday with a couple of high-hanging clouds passing by you just saw on the predictor. As we inch closer to Wednesday, that's when we'll start to see some changes as a more easterly flow starts to pick up, warming us up just a little bit right before another front arrives for your Christmas Eve. We'll also see a slight uptick in our humidity as we inch closer to Wednesday as that front gets closer and closer to us. Today, not a bad boating day. It's still a little rough out there. Your Inman Marine boating forecast shows a couple of early morning showers to dodge. The wind coming out of the north-northwest, anywhere between 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 4 feet, and a moderate chop on the inland waters. If you have any beach plans for today, Charlotte County coastlines and also Lee County, we do have a high rip current risk. So if you're not a strong swimmer, just keep that one in mind if you're headed out there. For today, we're forecasting a high of 74 degrees. Tomorrow will be very cool and nice and clear. And then Wednesday will start to warm up ahead of your Christmas Eve when we'll have scattered rain later on. That's due to a front that's moving through right before your Christmas, which will cool us down and bring us gorgeous and clearer weather for your holiday weekend. Switching gears to